and me.
Hello, tools. Bienvenidos. Welcome to Handy Manny's School for Tools. I'm Manny, and today we're going to learn how a vacuum cleaner works. Handy Manny's School for Tools.
We are learning what to do. To pull a nail.
Or turn a wrench.
To fix a bike. Or build a bench. Handy Manny's School for Tools.
There are lots of different and safe ways to cut madera, wood. Sometimes you need a straight cut.
I'm coming, Manny.
Perfecto. Perfect. And sometimes you need an angled or miter cut.
There you go.
Then you can put them together like this. But however you cut the wood, there's always one more thing to do.
Oh, I know. Hammer something into it.
Not exactly, Pat.
I know. Have a nice cold glass of agua fresca. Fruit drink.
And that's not it either, Felipe. The next thing you need to do is clean up all the sawdust. And to do that, you need a vacuum cleaner.
Hey, that's me. Uh-oh, sawdust makes me sneeze. That's why they call me Sneeze.
You'll be fine, Sneeze. Show them how you do it.
Okay, there's the sawdust. Now I just need to flip my power on. Oh no, here we go.
Hey, watch where you're swinging that thing.
Sorry, Turner.
Yeah, just put me down, please.
Okay, back to the sawdust. Power on. But it's Sneeze.
Buen trabajo. Good job, Sneeze. And now we can have a nice cold glass of agua fresca.
Just what I need after all that work. A nice cold glass of agua
Oops.
fresca.
Refreshing.
That's okay, because not only can Sneeze vacuum up sawdust, but he's a special kind of vacuum that can vacuum up wet things too.
De veras? Really?
See, show them, Sneeze.
Okie dokie. That is refreshing.
Oh, I'm sure it was.
Don't worry, Felipe. There's plenty more agua fresca.
Ooh, good. Me encanta agua fresca. I love this fruit drink.
Me too.